We're back in that opening range still on NQ. We haven't really got out of it.
You were just listening to Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer discussing a number of issues, including the Save America Act, but also discussing a possible solution to the end of the Department of Homeland Security shutdown. I'm Ryan Schmelz. Welcome into Live Now from Fox. We'll have more on that in just a second, but we're going to go ahead and take our first break of the hour. Stay with us.
If you are worried about finances for your retirement, log on to FloridaFA.com and we'll send you a free guide on how annuities can help. Florida Financial Advisors has teamed up with Silag Insurance Company to help you start living the retirement you've always dreamed of. So if you want guaranteed income or the potential to grow your money safely, log on to our website to get your free guide and advice from a company that specializes in annuities.
All right. Listen up.
All these annuity commercials on the news makes me want to go up and buy an annuity.
Oh, there are a bunch of commercials out there.
Yeah. I'm eating like a pauper this afternoon.
I had your basic. I made a breakfast. Just a little.
I know, steak and eggs is...
Steak and eggs. Yeah, popper my ass.
I had leftover ribeye.
Hey, you getting all these? You're always eating good steak. Do you have a steak connection, or are you just buying them at the grocery store?
These I bought at Aldi. They're actually decent.
Yeah, actually, the grass-fed beef at Aldi's is really good. Actually,
Yeah.
yeah, it's healthy. It's grass-fed, grass finished, and it's good quality.
It is good quality too.
Yeah, for sure.
There's an Aldi right next to the gym.
So you just jump in there and pick up a ribeye to go.
Much.
Yeah. Yeah, you know what? I may go grab a ribeye for dinner tonight.
Mm-hmm. You can't beat the prices. Let's see. Well, we're currently staying lower than my little line in the sand earlier, so ES is higher though.
Oh, we have broke, yeah.
So who's staying on top? I don't know, man. I don't know if we can sell unless the ES tries to stay down. Although we could look at a short like here through here.
You're breaking the low on ES right now.
Oh. Is it a double
I mean,
bottom
it's
or is it the short?
I don't know. I mean, the short on ES on NQ was way earlier. So at the break of that first low is where I would have took it. That first swing up
Could
on.
have shorted below that wick too.
Yeah, which was basically your opening range low or opening range high on NQ. We're right back in the opening range again. So at this point, I
think we
really want to see
can
the
look
bottom.
at this.
Breakout on ES?
On NQ.
Oh, NQ? I would feel more comfortable come down here and break the opening range low.
I got one of these charts that I have the bottom side margin still set wrong. How do I fix that one again?
132 bottom side margin or the right?
This. I want to get it off of Center Properties, right?
What do you? Oh,
Or is it Properties over here?
I think it's properties there.
So that appears, as of right now, to be the path forward. Now, the problem for Republicans, though, is that this thing does have its fair share of critics.
I guess it's lower, right?
Yeah.
Lower margin. Make that bigger.
There we go.
There you go. There you go.
All right. Do we short this?
Do we short or do we double
bottom
bottom?
or-
I was gonna say, do we short or is it a double bottom? What's the question?
The ES is at that level that I know is a strong level earlier.
My colleagues, just read it for yourself, and you can see there Scott also provided the bill text in that tweet right
This
there.
is.
Now you have the
It could
House
go
Freedom
one way.
Caucus, who also had pretty
I think we get short below the low and long above the high.
Senate Republicans
We'll do it in micros.
filibuster to pass the Save America
Some micros here.
Democrats to offer unlimited amendments. Now Senate R's claim they will pass Save America Act
Yeah,
via
put a little box around this little congestion area here and on the big tick chart and break one way or the other.
Checks notes allow Democrats to offer unlimited
Time
credit.
frame.
This is gaslighting. The American people
Whew.
are not stupid and will not accept more
A
failure.
very bullish candle on the 15-minute though.
Congress
I
has
really would like to see the NQ below
week sat down
It's going.
130,
I think we can fade it.
135.
Ron Johnson
I mean, that would be much more comfortable.
about this topic.
But you got a ways from
Nah,
here to
so let's go.
135.
I just
So
said, I just called
yeah,
it.
I was gonna say you got a ways to get down there. I
It's
mean,
going. Let's go. I'm in it.
Let's
Target
go.
off.
Thanks for having me on.
Target off. Tried to jump in as quick as I could.
Well, if combined with a reconciliation package where we can fund the rest
well, that took me out. That was a loss.
yes, I want to make sure TSA
What?
agents get paid.
I chased it.
Oh no!
Yep, that was a freaking loss.
Don't do that.
Yeah, that was stupid on my part. Pretty stupid, actually.
Yeah, you got all hot.
Damn it, and I was copying trading on that one. Oh well.
No, don't copy chase. Copy trade chasing.
Yeah, I should have stuck to my damn rule, which was wait for it to get down there. Damn it, Paul. All right. See, amateur mistake.
To defund ICE, to help clean up the mess
Just don't
that they
compound it.
create with their open borders. So it's just
Just
all
don't compound it.
to hear them lie about things, mischaracterize things, and quite honestly, it's galling that the mainstream media basically
Now it's just gonna come up, take my stop, and keep going.
Reconciliation as a
Keep
way
going down. Yeah.
potentially
I want to
pay for the operation.
think about doing this in the
So that would come separately at a later date. is my
micros
understanding.
here
And of course, that would also include
because that should have kept going.
why
That
is
should have kept going.
reconciliation the best path forward? And how do you address maybe some of the concerns here? Because there are going to be a number of rules that you have to comply with, and also pay.
Well,
Still
that'll
think
screw up a
this
good
little
day.
ledge here on the ES. Now you get a little ledge on the NQ as well.
Through reconciliation, we've got that on the floor
Cleaner
right now.
ledge on the
Mike Lee's doing an
ES.
excellent job of exposing the hypocrisy of the Democrats. So the base bill is basically
So this turns in long above
margins. Voter ID,
850 and short below
debate. And this is why it's important to get on the bill and have debate. Democrats
600.
are coming down and say, well, we support voter ID. Oh, that's news to us. In what form? How do we enforce it? A national standard imposed on the states and have them run the elections. So, again, that's why it's important to do debate. In terms of reconciliation to fund other elements of ICE, we have to make sure that we can do that as well. So I'm not saying this is a done deal. Again, I want to see TSA agents
Well,
paid.
we can go back to find an account we want to scale into the shorts on the micros with.
Probably not too late to even do that if we can come to
Let's see, I want it to
accommodation
be
on that. So I'm not
that
sure how this all gets
I'm gonna wait for the break of the low.
resolved. I can say it's gross
Right now, the only trade I got is above 313 or below.
I'm going to scale back into
120
the
now.
shorts on the micros.
Not doing anything. That was stupid to give that money back.
So if you're upset in a long line at the airport, don't blame Republicans.
I
Blame
think
Democrats.
a good spot for a
separate
first
ICE
contracts
package
around
and DHS
let's go
funding
like,
without
what,
that included is okay for you
218.
if reconciliation is the path forward.
Yeah,
if I get
we've
it.
got to make sure that we could do it through
and
reconciliation.
then two.
And I wanted to read a statement here from your colleague Rick Scott. He did say that he is going to be a hard
250.
no on this reported DHS funding package, saying anyone who wants my vote on this DHS deal needs to tell me how it's going to ensure ICE agents and everyone at DHS charged with keeping us safe from illegal aliens will get paid. You can say the big beautiful bill will do this, but the way I read it, that's not the case. So I'll make it easy for my colleagues. Just read it yourself. And he went on to provide the bill text there. And this is something we've been has been brought to our attention, which is that yes, you had the one big beautiful
Maybe I
bill
should just
act,
put
which
one
is
on
the
then.
very
Dang.
rare form that probably one of
This
the
is-
few ways that you can actually pass something on a
This is getting down here to an area where, I mean, the ES is staying out. There you go. The ES is staying out. That's the only reason I wouldn't jump into a short immediately, but
So how do you believe those
I-
concerns that your colleague Rick Scott just addressed there can be addressed?
oh, well, that's what scares me on the NQ as well. So if you add
Thank
on-
you. Setting up for a long, looks like.
Yeah, if you, well, if I'm trying to look at shorts, I really can't put one on until probably around 250, not
a partial measure like this. I'm pretty much in the same camp.
I say like
And we
240.
also did hear from the House Freedom Caucus saying that they have some issues, and I'll read off the statement here. Senate Republicans refused to force a talking filibuster to pass the Save America Act because it would have allowed Democrats to offer unlimited
Awful lot of
now Senators claim they will
chop
pass
down
Save
for the
America
NQ
Act
and
via
ES is to stay at the same
which may
price
not be
level.
possible under the Senate's arcane rules, which
If the
would
ES went any
just
lower, I would
allow
be
Democrats
like,
to offer
I'd put a micro on right
unlimited
now on the
amendments.
NQ.
This is gaslighting. Do you agree with that statement?
We might be
Well,
getting
I've been
long
on
out
the
of here, to
record
be
for quite
honest
some
with you.
time that I think the only
How did
way
it come
you
out of
can
here
pass
earlier
the
today? Let's
full
see.
Save America Act is by ending the
V
filibuster.
bottom after we
Yeah, I don't
left.
think that's necessarily cataclysmic for our nation or even for the Senate. The Senate is horribly broken. It's completely dysfunctional.
And then you had another
Democrats
decent
have
little
shown
swing
us their
here.
hand. Next time they're in power, I believe they're going to end the filibuster. That's really
I think
the
what
split
you're
in
thinking
our
right. We
Congress.
probably need to be looking for a
Is
long out of
we
here.
respect the filibuster if
Yeah,
we felt
I
the
mean-
Democrats would, but they won't.
Short for me
I'll
is
do that on- I'll do
until
that
it's
on
below.
micros on the ES.
The
I just
Senate's
there's not a
completely
great
broken, so
spot.
I just think we need a
Let's
dramatic
see.
paradigm shift here. So again, I don't.
Are you guys back?
You know, there may be parts of the Save America Act because Democrats say they support
Nobody's
voter
listening.
ID, which we could pass with Democrat support.
What happened to the trials? They didn't want to do anything.
Probably
about
because we
it?
were gone for a while. They probably just jumped off.
We didn't. Do we have you on this morning?
Seen how they've done it.
Did we put a sign up? We didn't, did we?
Cities plus a
No, I just closed it out. Till everybody would
Oh,
be
you
back.
closed it completely? All right.
all controls over our elections to allow it to make it easier to cheat, which is why any kind of election integrity measure is existential to their game plan. So they'll dig their heels in and they won't be held accountable by the legacy media. So that's the situation right now.
But it appears, too, though, when it comes to getting rid of the filibuster, the votes just simply aren't there. We hear that from Republicans time and time again. We've heard from several of your colleagues who said that they're not going to vote to end the filibuster in any capacity. So does it just appear that the votes are not there to move forward to pass the Save America Act without any type of filibuster?
So I think that's true at the moment, but remember, we didn't have the votes to change the rules with a mere 51 votes to confirm President Trump's nominees. But Democrats were so obnoxious, so obstructionist that in the end, I think all 53 Republican senators, by a mere majority, which is, again, they call that a mini nuclear option. That's then what's happening. Harry Reid started this process to
What's NQ gonna do here? Thing bounces again off this bottom.
Lebanon kicks Iran's ambassador out of Beirut.
Lebanon does what? Kicks the.
Surf coach saves father and daughter from. I wonder if that was here.
There it is. I was just about to say, if this thing bounced off this bottom again, it's a long.
Okay, you'll take it.
Nah, I mean, it already moved. It's probably just gonna come back down again.
Okay.
A little slow on that. I'm gun shy now.
Stop in here.
Yeah, there's buy stops right here.
Do we think it's going to continue up?
I don't know.
All right, I'm gonna give it a try. It looks like it should be that.
Yeah, I gotta wait for a cleaner entry. I can't lose again on this account.
Maybe I'll do 2 micros. It's gonna put me in now. Oh, it just ticked into me. Ticked into me. That's fancy. That kind of tells me to maybe cancel this thing. I got lucky not being in it, I guess. I don't know. Yay or nay? I'm gonna cancel it, right?
Yeah, I mean, I would.
Canceled.
I mean, the problem is it could come all the way back down before it goes back up again. So, and then you got to wonder, is it going to break the bottom?
It sure does look like it wants to go up.
It looks like it wants to go up. Yeah.
Sure does have a little bit of pressure on the upside. I'll wait. I shall wait. shall wait.
Where's your buy? 97? No,
I
where?
was going to
Oh,
do it at 90 at 08.
all the way up there. Okay. 97.
But really, it should be above 09. Whatever that was, that high right there. 850, 875 should be where it happens at. All right, we came back. They know that we're back. That's why they slowed everything down. They're like, wait a minute, Brian and Paul are back. We don't need them making money.
It was moving while we were gone, for sure.
God bless the TSA agents still showing up to work without pay. Too many Americans are leaving paycheck, living paycheck to paycheck. Blah, blah, blah. Oh,
Here
man, I
comes
want to be in this. I really want to be in this long. I'm just going to be a patient, good little boy here. CL kind of swung out.
I mean, a break around right on the small tick chart, a break above this like 96, 97 area. You should get a run up to that 08 or higher. But it doesn't, just doesn't. Yeah.
Let's see. We missed along there on 6E, but I'm going to take a trade this late in the day on that. Let's see.
All right, this is going to go.
What is gold done?
This NQ is going to go.
And so is ES. Not a lot of bars on gold today. Sleepy day for gold. CL started moving. I'll look for a setup later on CL maybe. I can tell you one thing for sure now. If it breaks the bottom of either ES or NQ, I am just going to press the sell button. That's it.
Yeah, the bottom for sure on that ES is strong. Again, that.
Other groups have been available holding a press conference to read the Diaz family statement to El Paso and address concerns about conditions at East Camp, Montana. Let's go ahead and listen in. And also, I wanted to show you something because it's a little bit interesting. So this here is the request, when you request an autopsy report from the federal government. And this is a copy of the one that I used to request the autopsy report of Mr. Diaz. And if you notice, and I'll just point it out.
Here comes your breakdown on the NQ. Looks like it.
ES has got to go before I do anything on the NQ. In this market, in this condition, it does. 80.75, yes or no? 8.75, I mean.
What's this?
Yeah, I'm going to do that with a 12 tick stop, 8.75.
8.75? Oh, 8.75? Is that what you're saying? Well, there's your entry, 8.75. All right, that doesn't look too promising. Come on.
You going to one tick my target? Oh, there we
What
go.
happened here? Why did it do that?
There we go. Target off. Target
Oh, crap.
acquired.
Oh, this is bullshit.
What now?
Fucking copier.
Target acquired. Target acquired.
All right, that stupid copier. I'm not doing this crap.
Let's see here. We must stop up here behind this last little swing high. Lock in a few ticks there. Oh, sleepy afternoon trading. A little easy. Break a structure. Took off. Should I be targeting higher? It's a question. This is a realistic target, I guess, here. Put my stop up under that wick, though. I'm going to be a little bit more aggressive on this target. Never mind. I'm going to be flat. All right. Now, I'm going to step away for a minute.
Well, that's a dump. Nope. Yeah, break out and right back down. I might be back down here at the bottom, a break of this low, or a bounce. See what we get. See what kind of setup we get. I came right down and bounced off the bottom. I want to see this thing break. I think if this thing breaks, we have got to take it. Got to get all over it. Oh.
Oh, shoot, I forgot to open that thing. Oh, well. Could have pulled a short out of that and a long, huh?
Yeah, I said it came right back, came all the way back down to that bottom and bounced again. But this is building up. When it breaks
There's
that
some
ledge right
steam.
there,
Yeah.
it's gone. Like, we definitely got to be short.
Well,
Got
it's
to be
building
short.
up for something. I don't know if it's short or long, but it's building up, that's for sure.
Right now, it looks like it's building pressure to the downside with these little bounces up.
Earlier, it said we thought it was looking like it was building pressure through the upside, but evidently it wasn't that much pressure. I'm just saying, I think we're guessing. There's definitely pressure being built, that's for sure, though. One way or the other, this thing's not going to stay here the rest of the afternoon. Why that's doing that? Yeah, we're gonna get a trade out here at some point this afternoon. Should be a nice one, I would think.
Mm-hmm. That's it now.
Man, you got these days, man. To get a runner these days, you got to time it, be at the right place, the right time, the right like.
Yeah. There it goes.
Oh. I was sitting looking the other direction for 1 second, writing something down. And the ES finally broke.
If you get a continued move to the downside here on the NQ, because I think that's a short.
It doesn't look like it wants to, though.
Well, that's what I'm saying. If this candle,
That just wicked in to get all the people with those shorts out there.
yeah. And if you'd have had an order waiting, that was the prime move. But now, if it fails, now it's a little safer. A second breakdown through here.
Yeah, I take it the second time through. Like I'm tempted to just put the sell stop in now since they took all the orders.
Yeah,
out.
right now, just let it go from here, huh?
They took all the orders out. Yeah.
Question is though, how far do they bring it back up? Let's see.
Oh man, that's been sitting on that account. Let me switch.
It's a big time chart.
I think I'm tempted to do this. This is not like. Let's do like. Yeah.
I'm gonna go
You know
short.
what? Yeah. I think this needs to be. Yeah.
Yeah, Judge Wapner.
Let it bust through there this time. Just go with some vigor. Change this account. Change this account. Which account do I want this on?
Come on. There we go. Target off. Come on. Now break this leather right here and go down to that opening range low. That's a good little target, say around 143, 140. And then if you get that, you got 120. Come on. Don't bounce up. Just keep going. I need my money back, damn it. I'm being a
Let's see.
freaking dumb amateur mood.
Doesn't look like this thing wants to do it this time, though, does it?
Nah, it's sure running out of steam. I'm gonna lock in something. I gotta get money back on this. Come on, there it goes. Turn it around. Look at the candle. Look at the bigger tick channel. It's getting a,
It's trying to.
yeah, it's got that bearish candle forming. Take a break. There it goes.
Which account I wanted this
Come
on.
on, you freaking!
I don't know if
Oh,
that
you
helps.
got to be kidding me.
I don't know if that helps, Paul.
Are you? I'm biting my tongue right now. Just drink your water and shut up, Paul.
There you go. All right, let's see here. I got in it and then closed it
It's
out.
just holding right there. It's not doing
I just
shit.
I got in it on the break.
I'm
On the
out.
second breakdown and then closed
I'm gonna put it
out.
right above that.
Close it out for a
that
little
break.
loss. But I got no problem putting it back in.
Well, I got in before the break. I got in when you started talking about getting now. I went ahead and jumped in, so I'm one tick in the there. I'm out flat. Never mind.
Yeah.
Yeah. This freaking account's still 1,000 away from a payout. Got some work to do.
I'm gonna ask him. Yeah. So.
Need a spotlight on your law firm?
All right. Well, we thought that was going to be exciting, I guess.
That didn't do nothing. What time is it? 2 o'clock almost? I don't know if we can get down there, but I don't know. See what happens. Yeah. Let's go take a look around the old YouTube world.
Starting to get some.
This is the story behind Alex and Sierra. So, 67.
Alex who?
I just clicked on. I have no clue what it is. Story behind Back to You. I don't even know what that is. No clue. Why do men love the Philippines? Gee, let me guess. Give you one guess.
That's it. One
I've
guess.
blown over 500 accounts. Who's this person? Vegan Rehab. I don't know who that is. Some lady. Today I want to try something different. I'm going to introduce you to Scott. Scott has blown over 500 prop firms. Nice. Last week he blew 8. Sounds like somebody we know, isn't it?
Yeah. Good old Lawrence.
Oh, look at that. 2 normal dudes. Wait. Are you live right now?
Mm-hmm.
On YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Tipping on takeout. Oh, hold on a second. Let me grab this phone.
Okay. All right, I'm starting to see a little action here. And then nothing. And then nothing. Oh, CL's diving. We get a GC long. We got some action now. Getting a little action.
This thing up a little bit, didn't it?
Yeah. Yep. See, still just kind of nothing, huh?
Not really. Just kind of still in this rangy, pops up, then drops back down to that bottom. I mean, if any real significant change on the NQ, for all intents and purposes, above the pivot or below the break. I draw a big. In fact, you know what? I will draw a big box around that because
What?
I mean, yeah, that looks.
Where? Tell me, what are you talking about?
On NQ. I mean, if you really look at it, I mean, yours looks a tad bit different than mine, but I mean, I'd be much more comfortable with the longs above VWAP, the pivot area.
Yeah.
So basically, a box from there down to the low would be, just kind of a choppy up and down rangy area.
You want to take a couple micros on it?
Could do that.
I mean, we haven't been able to make a low today, so I might as well be buying up here, huh?
Here it comes. Here comes the pivot. So let's see what see what happens.
Well,
Well, look at that. What's the freaking ATR on the NQ right now?
nothing.
That's at 28, 29. It's not terrible.
Nothing.
There's some big swings though. Like 216 up to 252. That's 50. What's a 45, 50 point candle?
Jobs and secures America's future. So, Alan, thank you for answering the call to serve Oklahoma, to serve our nation. And please join me now in congratulating the next U.S. Senator from the state of Oklahoma, Alan Armstrong.
All right, Alan Armstrong, next year's center. Awesome, great. This is just toying. This is like you get a moment
This
where
is
you're like, oh,
playing
right, this is
games.
gonna go, and then it doesn't come back.
And then now it's going to pull all the way back down.
Takes everybody's stop.
Mm-hmm.
This is
This is killing retail people is what it's doing.
Oh shit, yeah.
People are chasing the shit out of it like I did earlier and getting
Oh,
burned.
it's a breakout. Cool, take it. And then they're like, come
Boom.
back, take your stop.
Shoot up, take your stop, and then continue.
Go down.
Shoot down,
come
take
back,
your stop, and then continue.
Or I mean, really hasn't done since we got back at like 1. It's done nothing but this, and then all the swings were from 11 to 1.
I mean, look at the opening range. The opening range is from the pivot down to almost basically about where the low is right now. That's the opening range. So you could draw a box from the pivot down to the bottom, and that really should be a no trade zone for you. You either got to get above that opening range or below that opening range at this point in the day. I would think that's my assessment.
Well, the ES has already done it, so I keep saying that. Keep saying we got to follow the ES. The ES is staying up. We got to think up. That's my complete technical analysis. That simple.
But I will sit here and I will watch.
Yeah, I mean, we'll give it.
And not have a problem with it.
I'll give it another half hour. You want to give it? How long do you want to go?
Yeah. We'll give it
Maybe till 3.
till anywhere between 2:30 and 3. Yeah, depending on how if we're absolutely frustrated by 2:30, we'll call it early.
We'll get a good long here in a minute. Here, I'm gonna step away for a minute.
All right. Man, this is rough. Who's left in here? Anybody? Is it just Brian and I? I know there aren't that many people left. Nobody? Just got back. All right. What's up, Gunter? Jim, Kevin, Red Wine, Stretch, Tom, anybody? Just Gunter.
Okay. All right. Oh, what's happening, Gunter? Just waiting for a clean little swing or something to trade here. That's all. Let's see what the commander in chef is doing.
Incredible state of Oklahoma, a state that I won.
77 out of 77 counties. They like me there. He's Yeah, yeah. It was just
I just listened to Trump talk. Doesn't really affect us. We have so much oil.
oh what? Oh yeah.
He's got Venezuelan oil too. Huh?
Mark Mark Wayne. Good old Mark Wayne. Trying to figure out how to get this to play without it going through the YouTube thing because I don't know if I get in trouble on YouTube.
Oh yeah, you might want to be careful.
Yeah. Okay, that's not anything I need to be hearing anyway. Lots to talk about in one person.
He says he's an MMA fighter because that's why I looked at his ears, and you can tell a lot about a person by his ears. Oh man, this guy's a trip to listen to. Oh.
Oh man. Oh, I need to start. Okay.
Oh.
Let's see if I can get. Let's see. Let's see. Tomorrow. Wow, a whole lot of nada, huh?
Yeah.
And that just made me a cup of coffee to get ready for this crazy afternoon. Mm-mm-mm.
Oh.
Sheridan's brutal murder had come illegally from Venezuela and been released into our country by
Sleepy Joe, Sleepy Joe Biden, the worst president in the history of the country. He just has no problem saying that whatsoever. Sleepy Joe Biden, the worst president in the history of the country. Those are facts. And he just said Obama wasn't far behind him. My gosh. He just like takes his. We can make safe in 2 months. That's what he says. Oh man. Let it get a little bit lower and maybe we try one long and then call it a day.
Yeah, I was just about to say I don't want us to go around too much longer. It's a waste of time.
No, do something stupid.
I'm green on every single account except for one. I'm only down $58 in that account. So
That one you chased on?
Yeah, I got it back to $58 loss. So
Yeah.
I can live with a $58 red. That's true. We'll probably not. And truth be told, well, he's speeding anyways, right? He's probably,
What is he talking about? Like, why is it?
Who knows? While he's talking, it's probably just gonna sit here and chop until he's done, unless he says something really crazy, and then it'll spike or something. But it might be sitting here for a while.
All right, something's starting to jump around a little bit. I was thinking that maybe we look at the CL for possible short coming up here, but it didn't make a good setup for us. And still thinking possible long, but now we're getting a little jiggy with the price action. Getting a little jiggy with the price action. Jiggy,
Yeah.
getting jiggy with it. Jiggy. Getting jiggy with it.
Not really doing much, so.
Meh. No.
Look at that, pop straight up.
That's
It's gonna
today.
come.
That's what
It's gonna come all the way back down to where we just came, where it came from.
That's what we've gotten all day long. All day. All day, buddy. All day. All right, we get stuff like this again tomorrow. I am definitely going to go heavier scaling into micros on the M&Q.
Yeah.
That's just what I'm going to do because it just makes sense to do it. To address Congress and first U.S. state visit, King Charles. How about that?
When's he coming?
April 27th? First time they've addressed Congress since 1991. How about that? Oh, I want a free Yeti Beach Lounge.
What? Yeti Beach Lounge?
No, it's some kind of spam.
Oh.
Well, I got an email from the customs office saying that they're holding $15.5 million for me. Just need to
You tell them to keep it. It's really not worth you going down for that.
Yeah, it's not. That's just not quite.
I got one yesterday. It was what was the one? Oh, if I don't pay I have a outstanding speeding ticket. If I don't pay it, they're gonna cancel my cancel my license and possibly proceed with criminal action.
Uh-oh.
So I text back. I said, "Come and get me."
Come and get me, buddy.
Oh.
In Chuck Norris, we trust.
Yes, Chuck Norris, we trust. Always.
Oh, look at this. Sodium levels should be 2 to 3 times more than current government recommendations. No shit, dumbasses.
Newsflash. But
Salt
wait,
is
sodium's bad for you.
crucial for electrolytes in your body. Duh.
Wait, salt is bad for you.
No. So bad for you. What a bunch of idiots. I started eating salt when I started playing sports at like a high level. I was prone to cramp all the time, so like the only thing that would stop it was just eat salt. Lots of salt.
Yep.
And I didn't
Salt,
cramp.
magnesium, potassium,
I've been doing magnesium and
potassium.
no, I've been doing magnesium and three pretty strong base minerals. Geez, what's wrong with me? But they make you dream like a crazy person.
Magnesium makes me dream.
Yes. Tina Fey hosting the inaugural episode of Saturday Night Live UK. Wow, how about that? Florida's actually winning something. Look at them. Good for them.
All right. Back up to the top here. Let's see what it does.
So I was thinking about buying it somewhere with a micro, but right back down. Oh, fruit flies are gay. That's crazy.
Always knew it.
Yeah. Same-sex courtship and male fruit flies have been linked through. Have they seen an evolutionary change? Wow, they express their pheromones for mating to each other. Who knew that?
Well, I think the crazier thing is that somebody somewhere is getting a government check to research that crap.
If fruit flies are gay or not.
Yeah, it's probably millions of dollars
That's
to
true.
figure out whether fruit flies are gay. That's how screwed up this freaking government is. You know, someone's getting paid to do that.
Yeah, they are. Somebody wrote a grant somewhere. I was like, maybe the government will fund us a grant to study the gay nature of male fruit flies.
That's what we need to do. We need to come up with something like that. And just,
Write a grant and get the government to give me money for studying like
yeah.
something. Oh yeah, the ICE agents are working at the airport today.
Yeah. Oh.
Wow. 1,000 milligram sodium, 200 milligram potassium, 60 milligram magnesium. They
That element?
That they just have pills for it, and it's like, okay, come on.
Sounds like element.
Huh?
That sounds like the breakdown of element. Have you ever drank element? That's good stuff.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like I could just go buy salt.
I mean, you can do it. You can do it yourself. Yeah, but I'm just saying element's the easy way to do it. Just throw it in a shaker cup and drink it.
Oh, it's a packet. Because
Oh, yeah, they're awesome.
I was thinking about making packets like that and adding.
Oh, no, don't even bother. Just, I'll send you the link. Buy this stuff. It's great. We use it all the time. It's best way to get your electrolytes. You know,
yeah, and then you pay
good
like, at the
electrolytes.
store. You end up paying freaking like if you buy one of those hydration packets, it's like $7.
Yeah, I think you can get like a whole box of them, which will last you, a month and a half for like $30, 20, $30, something like that. But it'll last forever. Then they're little individual packets. You just take them away, you throw them in a water bottle and drink it. It's that done. You get like 1,000 milligrams of Celtic salt, good salt, good magnesium. It's all high end stuff. Look at this thing break up.
All those Celts, they make good salt.
This thing's going up.
Well,
we
yeah,
gonna
we
move
knew
now?
that. Should we buy it now?
No, it's a little late now.
Is it? I don't know. I just got in. Target off. Well, I mean, we knew it was breaking, so at some point it had to do it. I knew the ES was up, so I was like, don't hesitate on this one. Just get it. Get it. Had to get in on that one. That was like, as soon as I saw that running, I was like, that's what I've been sitting here all afternoon for that one move. As soon as you said that, I was like, oh crap, I gotta get on it. Go. I had to do that one. I mean, didn't have to, but get my nice little winning trades in the. That was on that account that I had to close that one trade out earlier, the one that had like 20 bucks profit this morning, so I'm down to negative 50, so I'm good with that. That's the only one that's not green. Everything else is green, man. I mean, we might just say screw it and be done, huh?
Almost think you have to. I think.
I mean, after that, not continuing the run. Let's see, what time is it? I mean, I don't want to be sitting here. 14:30. Give it a minute or two longer, I guess. Go back to reading my news. I don't know. Maybe that was just them trying to take stops. They can't be sneaky anymore.
See if it goes up.
I'm tempted to get back into it. At least one micro.
Yeah, the break above VWAP again.
Dude, I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna layer into this long now on the micros. I'm gonna get one long now, and then I'll take another back here at 250. This is a higher probability trade now because we know we're gonna go up.
The only thing that scares me is if it just fails to hold VWAP. If it fails to hold VWAP, it's probably going to come back down to the bottom of this freaking range again.
Paul,
but
we can be safe on the longs, like DCA into the long, all the way down to like 183 because the ES is not going down.
No, the ES is going straight up. You are right.
It should have stayed at this level back here, and it didn't do it.
All right. Well, you don't have to sell me twice.
Well, I'm just saying. I mean, I get this right.
I'm in.
Every now and then I get this right, Paul. I'm just going to say that.
I'm in.
Once or twice a day.
Move this out of the way.
They just like that. I said it this morning when we were trading, and I said it now. If it stays above this, I've got to be a buyer, and it's just. I mean, I'll work my way into maybe 3 or 4 micros here. And I get this one account green and ride off into the sunset. I might want to do it on another account too. Let's see, which one do I want to do this one?
I popped in with 2. See if I can get a target off on 1.
You're going to get a target off on 1.
Get it. There it is. Target off.
There you go, buddy.
All right,
see,
free trade.
Your old friend here kind of knows what he's doing sometimes.
All right, now we just let it go, and if it comes back, we'll just add into it again.
I gotta do that account. Let's do that account. I'm gonna try to get 2. I'm gonna do what you did. I'm gonna use my NQ. Let it come back down. I'll put 2 in like you did there, and get 1 off, and have a super loose stop.
Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. Leave this stop way down, and if it comes down, I'll just keep adding in on the way down.
Another one, I was gonna say, yeah, because you can. I mean, you got a great spot to add would be like down here around 257. Yeah. Oh shit. I just gotta do it now. That's silly. I'm gonna do the same thing. Put a big stop in, then don't let it go below 200.
Yeah, I moved that top target way out of the way, just in case it runs.
That happens to be the account that I'm showing on the screen too, which is fine. Let's see here. Yeah, like, yeah, 200 would be the catastrophe stop here.
Yeah, right there is where I'm at. That's where I got my stop.
Oh,
There's your
took
target.
the target off.
Yeah. No, I'd move that out of the way. I was gonna say I'd get that out of the way.
Never mind. Well,
Yes, man.
I'm trying to manage this on
$80 trade already in micros.
Yeah, that's not bad. I'm trying to.
I bet we've done close to $1,000 in micros today. In freaking
This is it.
micros.
Let's see. Let me see here.
And not even like,
That's
9, 10,
2,
12, 14 micros. Just a few at a
4,
time.
6, 750, and then whatever end up here. So it'd be 750 plus whatever this is.
Yeah.
I gotta turn off this ATM. Don't want to do 2 contracts now. Add in with 1. Oh, buddy, this is nice. I like it. Nice little way to end the day.
Now, if we get outside this range here on the NQ at 15, whatever, 17-ish, 15 area.
Winning trades.
Yeah, 15, 17 area. It's going to go.
I gotta find my little. Where's the?
17, yeah.
Where's my little? We did good. We did good.
Above 317, I might add another one.
Let me look at that. I'm gonna take a picture real quick and send this off. This is a new way for me to track my trades. Now I can just go back to general chat if I want to make a video or something and see what time I put the trade in. What time I put it in. That makes sense, right? Target off, by the way. Machine, computer, whatever's tracking my voice. Go to break even on stop. I'm treating this like a real trade. Two micros. I think I need to add on that too, don't I? What do you think? Would you say you wanted to add at? Let me take a look at it.
317.
Just did it, didn't it? Did you add already? Oh shit! Yeah, you should have probably added that. Damn.
I did add already. Yes, I told you 317.
Damn. Well, it's just gonna go off without me being able to add anything. I gotta put a stop in on this other one now. Add schmad. Add schmad. Add schmad. Add schmad.
There it goes.
This is silly. Oh, another couple $100 micro trades.
I'm at 100.
Didn't get to scale in on it, but shoot.
I'm at $122.50 on this trade so far. I'll take it.
Yeah, like 90. Let's see, 100, 106. I'm a little bit behind you. I'm thinking about putting a stop under this little ledge that was just formed. This little wick back here. Low there was 331. I'm just gonna do that. What do you think?
I got it. Yeah, I'm really just. I don't really care. I'm just loose right on it right now. So
Yeah, but this is where it could turn back down.
I took profit on that one add-in, so I'm net 1 right now.
Oh, I should have added one and did the same thing.
I've locked in twice already.
Well. That'll take me flat. I can do it again. Now I'm officially 100% green all across the board. Me likey. See, patience. Gets us some moolah. Come down and give me a buy signal and I'll buy it again.
Back, do it again. Come on back.
I'm gonna do
Let's
6
add another one.
contracts if it gives me a good swing.
I know. I'm thinking we might have to trade this for real if it comes
6
back down.
micros. Yeah, if it gives me a good swing, that was That was a little test. Put our feet in the water there, but it worked pretty well. I'll take $200 for trying something out.
Look at this thing come all the way back down.
I mean, this may be our thing, man. Just trade micros unless we get absolute perfect swings, because to do $1,000 and not be stressed at all today, that's not bad. I'll take $1,000 a day.
Absolutely. Whoa.
Zero stress. Yeah, come on down. Give me a good long signal. Look, if this ES around the pivot, anywhere between VWAP and the pivot and ES, I'm gonna buy that in micros. Never mind. I'm gonna put that on the account I want it on. I'm gonna do the ES in micros so it doesn't weigh me down as much. You know what I mean? Like,
All right.
Yeah. I'm gonna do it on this account that I just got green. So if it takes it red again, who cares? Dude, this might be setting up right, man. Dude, I think this is a buy signal coming up here, huh? On a lower tick chart?
Looks like it.
It sure does, doesn't it? I mean, it looks a lot like a buy signal. Like, awfully a lot like a buy signal. Oh. Sure does look like one, doesn't it? Try this. I'm gonna try this in the micros, huh?
I'm back in again and see what happens.
You did on the NQ. I think that's a little premature,
Yeah.
but I think you're probably good. That high is 29.25. So maybe at 29.50. That's good. Put that guy in there.
Go target off 6 micros on that one. Bounce off VWAP. Now just go back up, baby. Go. I'm done after this. This is it for me.
Yeah. Yeah. This is.
Come on. Come on. Go back up to the top.
It's going. I just put my buy stop in above that ledge. So let's see here. There it goes.
Yep.
There it goes. There it goes. It's going now. I just need a little rest time to get its legs back under itself, catch its breath. Go doo-doo pants. Go doo-doo pants. Go. You think that works? I'm gonna intimidate you, Marker. Intimidating you. I bet it works. I think it works. Whoa. Go up. I really am supposed to be below the swing here, aren't I? Let's get below that last swing back there. It's about the best I can do. Oh, man. That's going to be painful. That's going to be it for me. If this is a failed trade, win, lose, or draw, I'm just call it a day. Still walk away green, and this should be a winning long trade, though. Same as they did before. Get everybody thinking long and push it back down and take stops.
Yep.
Oh, well. Now you actually really could buy above this. This would be a nice little long area above here. Maybe it'll keep me in the game. Maybe it'll keep me in the game. And as a matter of fact, if that goes this time, let's see what the high is. It's what 29.75. So if it breaks 30 again, it's got to go on the ES. And then what's that level there? Right around 300 on. I don't know why I didn't get back into M&Q on the. That's it.
Heck below.
I'm not doing it. No, I'll take that loss and walk away. That's not fun for me.
Call it a day.
Yeah, dude. I don't want to try that again. I mean, there is a buy signal. How long do we have to sit here for that buy signal? And what are the fruits that's going to come from it? That the only thing I would think about doing is putting a one micro on long right now. But I'm not gonna do the. What time is it? Let's see. 40. I still got coffee left. All right, let's try one maybe. One micro. And add another one back down a little bit lower. You know what? No, not gonna do this. Screw it. I'm gonna keep my greens for the day. I don't want to be going backwards here. What do you think? We could probably end up though getting profitable on one micro or doing a couple micros on the way back up again.
I mean, again,
call it a day. Which one?
I'd say we call it a day. I mean, I'm nicely green across. Nothing serious. I don't know. You got that one down, but you're not down by much, right?
No. That loss I just took. That's it.
Okay, so
that's the only. There's this one that was red before, and it's exactly the same red it was before now. That's it.
Yeah.
I mean, I could try to grind it back with a few micros in the profits, or I could just walk away.
Is it a lot, or how much is it?
It's $150, man. It's nothing.
Oh, $50 for shit. That's nothing.
It's $150. Still nothing though.
Oh, $150. Even that's nothing. Yeah.
Yeah. It's not like
just wait and get that tomorrow in a real trade.
In a real trade. Well, if we have day like today tomorrow.
Well, but even that, we got some good trades this morning.
A real trade that we just did.
I mean, yeah, I guess
it was a loser, but it's still a real trade. Look, it's going to go back up. I mean, this is like all they're doing is taking stocks from retail right now. Yeah, all day.
You're playing it
all day. No, I don't. I'm not going to trade anymore. I'm not going to trade anymore. I'm done. I'm going to sit here and finish my coffee, and then I'll head my happy ass to the gym.
I think that's a much better thing to do. Send your happy ass. In fact, let's call it a day, man. I'm gonna step away.
Okay. All right,
buddy. We'll see you in the morning.
Y'all.
Been real.
Do we have news in the morning?
It's been fun. It's been real fun. No, I don't think we do.
Let me just double check real quick. Current account, import prices. That's it. No real news tomorrow. Okay. Well, let's get ready for another dull day tomorrow. What time can you be available tonight to meet with Dom?
It has to be after my calls.
7:30?
Yeah, 7:30, 7:45, somewhere around there, usually when I wrap up.
All right, that'd be fine with me.
All right. Okay.
All right. See you later.
All right.
Have a good one.
All right, buddy.